In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 0 byte download in Steam. If your Steam download is stuck showing 0 bytes per second, don't worry. In many cases, this is a temporary issue and can be resolved with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through the most effective things to try, and I'll also explain what's happening so you know whether it's actually a problem or just normal Steam behavior. First, pause the download and then resume it. Sometimes the connection between Steam and the download server gets stuck for a moment, and simply pausing and restarting the download can refresh that connection. Give it a few seconds after resuming and watch to see if the speed starts moving again. If that doesn't help, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. To do that, open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache. Steam will sign you out, so you'll need to log back in as efficient. Once you're back in, restart the download and check if it begins working normally. This can help if old or corrupted. Cache download data is interfering with the process. Another common fix is changing your download region. In Steam, go back to Settings, then Downloads, and look for Download Region. Select a different region that's still relatively close to your location. The reason this works is that the server assigned to your current region may be overloaded or temporarily unstable. Switching to a nearby region often gives you a more reliable connection without affecting anything else in your account. If the issue still continues, fully restart Steam and your PC. Make sure Steam is completely closed, not just minimized to the system tray. Then reboot your computer and launch Steam again. This helps clear temporary software issues, refresh background services, and reset any networking problems that may be affecting the download. One more important thing to know is that sometimes Steam will show 0 B per second, even though nothing is actually wrong. If you see high disk usage at the same time, Steam is usually unpacking, verifying, or installing files instead of actively downloading them. That's normal behavior. In that situation, the best thing to do is wait a bit and let Steam finish processing the files. So if you're dealing with a 0 byte download, start with the quick refresh by pausing and resuming. Then clear the download cache, try a different download region, and restart both Steam and your computer if needed. And always check disk usage because in some cases, Steam is working exactly as it should.